Welcome back, everybody. We took a few weeks off just to kind of like let things cool down a little bit with this COVID-19 problem. We're back. So today we decided that we had some pretty good sponsorships, right?
Yeah, we had people over in Houston, Bull Shirts. They sent us some backpacks and some hats. So we're just going to make a couple little kits for people. We're going to do about 50 of them. So there's going to be a backpack, granola bars, a hat because the summer's here, a bottle of water, and some t-shirts. So we'll see how it goes. Yeah, got these backpacks. We're going to load it up with a granola bar, bottle of water, shirt, and a hat since summer's here. So hopefully people will enjoy these and get some usage out of it. We're not going to change lives, we know that, but if we can make one day better for the homeless and the needy, that's all we're here for.
Yep. Good little backpack too. It's good. There's a hat. We're gonna get about 50 of these going. Shirt.
And our one grand prize winner will get a whole toilet paper.
The big winner. Those are rare.
Awesome. Let's get started.
There we go.
All right, so we got about 45, 50 bags put together, so we're gonna go out and help some people out.
Good.
Man.
What are you giving away? What is that?
Marriage license.
Look right here.
Marriage license? That's cool.
Great, thanks guys.
Want a backpack?
I'll
It's
take
got
one.
water in there and a granola. We only have one left.
Yeah, I got
I'll
one
take it,
already.
man.
All right.
You got, okay, cool.
Yeah.
All right. Put your pamphlets in there. Thanks. Yep. How you doing, guys? You want a backpack with some water and all that in it? Sure. Yeah, I've got two of them.
It's got some hats in them too.
There's also a nice hat in there for you.
Thank you.
There's you too.
Take care.
God bless you guys.
You're welcome. We'll give you one for her, okay?
Take care.
No problem.
All right. Here we go, sir.
It's got some waters.
You got a nice hat, got water and stuff in there.
God bless y'all, man.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Sorry, we didn't mean to disrupt
I'm
you.
sorry, too.
Okay.
Man.
It's all good.
You want a water? Let me see if I got some change. Hold on. I'm gonna double you up. There's $1. Take care, sweetie. Son.
All brand new.
Yeah,
Yeah, they're pretty cool. Some great logos.
we're giving to so many people. All right, cool.
That's what I thought. Well, we did it one more time. We gave away about 45 backpacks with some nice hats, water and such to homeless people. Very appreciative people. It's amazing when you really start talking to these people, how they really react when you just give them something for nothing. We want to thank Joe from Bull Shirts to giving us a massive inventory to be able to give this out. Appreciate
hats,
it.
backpacks.
Props to him. Lots of water. It was great. Again, thank you for watching, and please subscribe.
And on another note, several people have always asked me why I wear different sweatshirts from different hockey teams, and I just tell them I love hockey. Well, in tribute to a young man who just passed away this week, Austin Ball was a big Vegas Golden Knights fan, so I wore this in tribute to him. And we're closing our video in front of a golf course that him and his dad enjoyed playing golf at. To Kevin and the Ball family, our condolences. We know Austin's in a better place. All right?
Okay.